Previously, we made a video about copywriting because so many people are asking me this particular question that what is copywriting. But right now, the video topic which I decided that which I need to make it is what is freelancing, right? So freelancing is different from the job, right? So if you know about me, if you know my background, that I work in 3 to 4 years in sales in 3 to 4 companies where my stability was a big problem for me in the job. But what is freelancing? We will get back to this particular topic, but we will try to find out what is job. So when you are doing job, you are not doing business. You are selling your time. Let's say 8 hours of your, you are selling your time and 1 hour of your lunch break or maybe a break, right? So you are selling your 9 hours to a company, right? So that is a job. But when it comes to freelancing, you are getting paid by per project, right? So there is a difference between job and freelancing, because freelancing you are not answerable to anybody, but in the job you are answerable to that particular time of hour, that particular hour to the businessman, right? So somebody who hires you, he wants to accomplish that particular target from you only, right? So he can ask you so many questions in that time in your job. Why don't you achieve your target? What is the reason why you're not performing? Tell me how we can help you to improve yourself as a salesperson, right? So in the job, you are answerable to each and everything. You are answerable to reach on time. You are answerable to achieve your targets. You are answerable to improve the quality of the job which you are doing in the job. So many things which you have to do, right? But when it comes to freelancing, you are not answerable to the time. The client is not care about, he don't care about that when you are working, when you are taking your breaks, when you are taking opening your laptop. He don't care about that. What he care about, whether you are able to do the job in the right way or not, right? Whether you are able to help me to improve my YouTube channel or not, right? So whatever the job he have, whatever the work he have, if he want to make sure that you are doing that particular job, you are doing that particular project in the right way, and you are producing the results. He only care about results. He don't care about your time also, right? So when somebody, let's say if a digital marketer is providing me a project where he wants me to write his copy by myself, he don't care about what is my education background. He don't care about where I live. He don't care about my 10th mark. What he is care about, whether I am able to write a copy in such a way where he is able to earn the money or not, whether he is able to get the order from that copy or not, right? So all he care about that particular result. So the same thing happens in the freelancing. So when you are into the freelancing, I will request you and I will advise you to start your journey from the fiverr.com, because once you start your journey from the fiverr.com, in that time you're able to sell your services for $5, and once you are able to sell your services for $5, in that time you are able to get some clients, you are able to get some review in the fiverr.com. You are trying to figure it out that how can I sell my product and services in the fiverr.com. Once you are able to do that, then you have certain clients, then you have something to show, then you have some portfolio where you can go to the right market, where you can go to the open market and you can tell the people that these are the 4 and 5 projects which I already did, and you can see the result, you can already see the testimonial, and with that particular portfolio they will give you more and more jobs in the future. So that's why there is a difference between job and freelancing, and that is all about freelancing. You are not answerable to the timing, you are answerable to results. So when you are doing freelancing, I will request you to please provide results, because if you provide results, then only you can work for a longer period of time in freelance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.